Crypto is bouncing back, and right now the big question is the market correction over, or can we still see the market fall? So today we're going to go over a couple of major catalysts, a couple of important events, and also major technical indicators with the crypto market. Moving forward, I'm going to try and keep these videos under 4 minutes because I personally enjoy shorter form updates. I think it's better when you get right to the point, not waste anyone's time, because we all have better things to do than sit for an hour-long episode. So if you guys think the same way and enjoy these sort of videos, let me know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, commenting down the word short. Anyways, right now, the overall crypto market is bouncing back. We're seeing the crypto market at a $1.88 trillion market cap, and Bitcoin's price has bounced back above $40,000. A couple of interesting things going on with Bitcoin's price is that we did see Bitcoin's price drop below $40,000 per coin for just a couple of minutes. We saw quickly bounce back and driven back higher by Bitcoin bulls who bought back in, whale accounts who bought back in, and now we have seen Bitcoin's price get back above the $40,000 support, which is a key support line for Bitcoin. With regards to if this crypto correction, this market correction is over, well, we have seen a couple of big catalysts, big news come out recently. Evergrande said that they just came out and agreed to a deal to avoid default on key bond. This is important because what was driving the stock market correction, the crypto market correction, was all of this FUD coming out of China and their second largest property developer, Evergrande, who is at risk of defaulting. So now we know that they have already agreed to a deal that's going to allow them to avoid defaulting, which is a positive piece of news for both stocks and crypto. So this is a sign that the widespread fear coming out of China is going to die down, at least for now, and that is a good sign for the market. With regards to a couple of technical indicators, right now, the crypto fear and greed index for Bitcoin is at a 3-month low. We have seen it register extreme fear for the first time in a couple of months at a 21 out of 100. 0 is extreme fear, 100 is extreme greed, and this is actually a good sign. People who are worried about this, well, the last time we were at these same levels, Bitcoin had a massive rally. Last time we saw these levels were back in early July, right before we saw Bitcoin's price go from $30,000 per coin all the way up to $55,000 per coin. Another thing going on with technicals is that we're seeing most of the volume, most of the people who were selling over the last 48 hours were really some newbies in crypto, people who have not owned crypto for a while. We could see that a vast majority of people who sold crypto were people who had owned it for less than 1 week, and 99% of the people had crypto for less than 3 months. So these are very positive catalysts according to data from Glassnode. Last thing in terms of technical indicators is that we're continuing to see whale accounts purchase more and more Bitcoin as the market is falling. So even though the total number of addresses with over 1,000 Bitcoin have dropped, we're seeing that the total value of their positions is continuing to increase, which means all during this drop, whales have been scooping up more, and the vast majority of people who have been selling have been these retail investors. And one of the last stories I want to go over is with the SEC chairman, Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler came out the other day in an interview, and he said that stablecoins and crypto are really like poker chips. He doubled down on his call for more regulation in crypto, and he said moving forward, he thinks that while innovation and all the technology with crypto is great, he thinks the only way we're going to really see widespread adoption is if we see more regulations in place for crypto. He said this multiple times in the past, but really he just expanded his view about regulations in this interview, and he also sort of called stablecoins poker chips. He made that comparison there. So overall, crypto is looking much better today, especially with the fear dying down out of China. But let me know what you guys think of the overall market. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.